right, good morning. We got Ed. He's got this awesome truck. We moved the lift here. This is the one from yesterday. And we got it in position. And we're going up there where that metal's lifted. There's a hole in the roof and there's a bee nest in this covered eave. You see how it's covered in stucco. Oh, that nest's been there a while, I imagine, probably over a year. So, and you can see with that little roof and this palm tree, you just can't get close enough to the bee nest. And we're going to try to repair her roof there. Like I said, it has a hole in it from rot. We got a piece of wood and fix that metal and make it bee nest free. Anyway, more later. All right, well, step one, I'm gonna go up there with the bucket and the electric chainsaw and trim some more of these palm. Of course. That is a bee nest. It is an angry one. Ooh-wee. Smell the whoop ass. Yep. Clean. And then I walked over to the other side. I'm gonna net it and take it. The end.